Santa Ana went for the layup. Paundo blocked from behind. GP stays with it.
Both teams, 2 possessions, looking to attack early. This is our 3rd possession in 30 seconds.
Bagong floor director natin na nagiging habit na pre-game na meron tayong nagkakaraoke. No whistle.
Continues to struggle. Ito si Jake Aliado, missing his first 3 shots of the game pero napawi niya ron.
Nihintay niyang matapos maligo yung mga player niya.
Kaya bagay sila ni Kuya Jun Dizon, no? Naging teammate ko yan si Kuya Jun. As you see this jumper by CJ Alatica. Laging intense kasi ang itsura.
Diba? You may look at him as tough looking, but when you get to know him, oh, that's a good drive by Reggie Boy Basibas.
Yes, sir.
Obuyes, pinasok na dito.
Eh, syempre. Eto, you talk about a guy that's in hairline. Now I'm not so sure kung paborito ko ba rin siya. I'm just kidding, Gianna, but thank you for that report, Ken.
Labang ng Valenzuela 12-7 after a slow start.
Kidding aside, you know, you talk about what the league is all about. I've always said this, Chester Ian Valencia on cue. I remember na 7-all yan kaya nga 7-0 run, no? Tingnan natin, after a timeout, ito, ang ganda ng atake doon, the lefty. Nice. Ganda ng recovery daw ni Alabanza doon sa fake hand of Ubuyes. Those splits that D gets the bounce. Swabe gumalaw to. Wala mang bigote, no?
8 points for Jello Ubuyes.
May konting swag din siya maglaro, pero silent type.
Yeah. Mamaradlo, medyo late yung pasa. Now pulls up over Ubaldo, short. The rebound and a putback scored by Justin Alado.
Ito na ang white shirts. Ubuyes!
Lobs it inside. Masikip para kay Alano that time. Beginning to be one of those guys who is so efficient per minute. Obviously, the best in that department is Nick Caballero of Pinyan. Frontrunner for the Rookie of the Year award.
And maybe the MVP.
Pwede din. Gives it up to Destacamento. Siya na nagbaba ng bola. Good pass.
Nice.
Inside. Alano can't finish though. Still enough time. Alabanza the heave. And that's gonna do it here in quarter number 1.